Hi Ray, this is a quick video to brief in some changes for the Instagram feed plugin. So firstly, as I mentioned in the settings, actually I'll go to settings and show you where it is. I think, customize, and then padding around images has a 1 pixel. I changed that to 0, and when I did that, the plugin has done a bizarre thing, which is to load a mosaic of all the images rather than just the one line with these ones hidden as it was before. I can't get it back to that. So even though I've got this set up with the number of photos is 18 and then the number of columns is 6, which would mean 2, 4, 6, and then with 18 in total. So 6 visible, 18 in total. That's how that should work. And then on mobile, it should have 9 images with 3 columns visible on mobile. So for some reason that's not working, and all I did was change this to 0. So if you could change it so that those settings essentially get it back to the way that it was looking before, that would be great. So that's step 1. The next step is, if I go into Manage Instagram Images and I have a look here at Fraser Island, and you can see that we've got some people on the beach, these people looking up in the trees, and these people on the beach, just those 3 images. If I go to the front end of the website, I have these images. So it's not the same, and essentially what's happening in here is not correlating to what's showing up on here. I can't control these images. While I can put numbers in here, like if I was to change this number to 2 and this number to 1, and then I don't know if I need to tick these, reorder images, apply. So that will change in the back end here, but on the front end when I update the page, nothing changes. It basically just stays like this. I can't change it at all. So there seems to be a back end to front end link missing. The next thing to brief in is this numbering system here. I don't need to see this, what number this is. The way that I would like it to work is more visual. So this image here being the top of the list, and this image being the second on the list, would mean that this image would be the first one here, and the second one would be the second one here. And simply clicking on these like that visually is how I'd like it to function. So we can just visually look at all of these images and say, oh, that one should be before that one, so move that, and that would be it. So don't necessarily need to see these numbers, just need a visual guide. Can you let me know what I need to do? Do I need to, once I've reordered these images, well, I guess I do. I need to click on reorder images and apply. But at the moment, as I said, it's not working. So I guess that's what I do. Ideally, I don't really want to go and tick these images to then reorder images. Simply clicking on the arrow, that's changed, and then to enter it into the database, if I have to reorder images apply, I understand that. That's fine. So that's essentially it for Instagram images for the moment. So if you could make those changes, that'd be great. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.